Ethan Marlow was never the type to raise suspicion. Pale, soft-spoken, and invisible in crowds, but behind his locked bedroom door, he was studying bomb schematics and targeting local officials with a digital vengeance few could trace. Ethan Marlow was once just a quiet face in a Colorado suburb, working night shifts at a shipping warehouse, and spending his free time in internet forums most people never even knew existed. At first, it was survivalist blogs and prepper chat rooms. But as the months wore on, the content grew darker, pages filled with cryptic manifestos, 3D printed weapon blueprints, and step-by-step DIY justice manuals. What started as paranoia slowly turned into purpose. The first incident was written off as a freak accident. A local politician's car exploded in his driveway, faulty wiring, they said. But within weeks, a second, eerily similar explosion claimed the life of a real estate developer with alleged ties to a controversial city rezoning plan. Then came the third, a security contractor found shot in his rural cabin, booby-trapped doors and a strange manifesto taped to the wall. It was no longer coincidence. Someone was targeting figures of authority, each with a self-justified message about corruption and retribution. Authorities were stumped. The attacker left no fingerprints, no digital trail. Surveillance cameras were avoided or disabled. The press dubbed him the operator, based on the tactical precision of each crime. The FBI finally linked the attacks when fragments of the same homemade detonator were recovered from all three scenes, designs taken straight from an obscure, encrypted online document. The Harbinger Protocol. When a whistleblower within a private militia turned over chat logs from a closed extremist group, agents discovered Ethan's username, FireCleans77. The chats were chilling. Ethan had been methodically planning a coordinated blackout, his version of a cleansing. His next targets were to be journalists, city planners, even school administrators, anyone he believed was part of a social manipulation engine, as he called it. The manhunt ended in a standoff at an abandoned grain silo. Inside, they found a crude war room, walls lined with names and photos, blueprints marked with red ink, and dozens of makeshift explosives. Ethan had booby-trapped the entire structure. It took bomb squads 12 hours to disarm the site. Ethan never made it out alive. But the deeper horror came after, as federal agents realized the Harbinger Protocol had already been downloaded thousands of times. Ethan wasn't the first, and he wouldn't be the last. Manual had become a virus infecting minds already teetering on the edge, and the new wave hadn't even begun.